Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Oke, Sobat Getris. Now we try to merge several of image, but the image may be difficult to merge. But we will try. Yeah, I'll give all of you the sample. Yeah, I have 4 image. I have 4 image, but each image may be difficult to merge. But don't worry, we will try to merge all of image. Yeah, there's 4 image, but the object on the image must be same position. Yeah, okay, let's try. Automate, photo merge. Yeah, file. I choose that's auto perspective preset position. Okay, I choose reposition only. Yeah, I browse the file. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's okay. Ready. Okay, let's try. We will see the result, but I'm not sure, but we will try to merge. Yeah, how the results processed by Photoshop. Okay, let's wait. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 image. Okay, that's the result. I think okay. Wait a minute, because I think the object each image not same position, but we will try. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I think. Wow, I think it's good. Yeah, because the position all of image it's same. Okay, but yeah, we will see the result. Maybe not clear. Yeah, maybe here. Oh, I see. Wow. It's the result not much good. Yeah, okay, but the all object it's great. Yeah, okay, that's why maybe I take the pictures more close. Yeah, the well be quick like this. Yeah, okay, it's okay. Then we can edit this. We can edit this image. Yeah, okay, but I will save first. Yeah, or we can click like this, but it's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Review. Okay, that's it. Yeah, okay, we'll try to here. Okay, we'll save first. Is Paron anti paneran 1. Okay, save. Okay. No save. Okay. Sorry. File save as PSD. One digital panorama PSD. Save. Okay. Let's try the result. We will edit a bit. Yeah. A bit. What's it? Okay. Plus one digital panorama satu. Okay. Now we edit bits up. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's try to see here which one up here. Okay, here. Okay, that, yeah. Layer merge visible. Okay, let's try to okay. Let's try hold space. Sorry, Alt click. First, should not be stopped because the other going to be defined with. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. It's clear. Where is the where? Okay. Okay. We will try to. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Welcome to Gathering Rumah Produksi channel.
Okay. Next, we will edit this. Yeah. But now we try to merge another image. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just reposition only. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. We will see the result. I think I hope the result is great than before. Yeah, I'm not sure, but I hope the result is it's great. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, plan selected layer based on content. Okay, see the result. I think it's I see. Yeah, yeah, great. Things great. Okay, I choose crop. Okay, crop. That's it. Clear. Okay. Oh, here. Yeah. Okay. Save as panorama 2. Okay, that's the lesson. How to merge image, and don't forget take the picture clearly one by one. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next lesson.
See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.